If you're feeling lost for content ideas or want a niche with less competition, keep watching. Today, we'll unveil a unique and lucrative opportunity for your YouTube journey, the cartoon motivation niche. It's a hidden gem with vast potential. Get ready to unlock the secrets of creating cartoon motivation videos that could earn you around $200 per short video upload. Welcome to Learn with LEESI, your one-stop channel for mastering AI tools and turning them into real income. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe. While motivational content is abundant on YouTube and TikTok, there's still room to stand out. We'll show you how to do just that.
First, you open up your ChatGPT, and in the message button here, just paste in this prompt. You can find this prompt in the description of this video. Let me read this prompt for you so that you know what we are talking about here. So in this prompt, I said, give me a motivational video script. Keep the following things. 1. The motivational script should be related to the famous cartoon. So inside here, you can provide any famous cartoon of your choice. Let's say Tom and Jerry or any cartoon of your choice. In this video, I'm making use of the SpongeBob. So that is what I said. Then number 2, I said the script should be 1 minute long. A language should be very easy and should sound like a human voice. Then I also went ahead and said also give me image generation prompt to generate images for each scene in the script. So this prompt is going to give me a prompt that I'm going to use to generate the image that will be needing for creating this video. So after pasting in this prompt, you just click on the send button and you send the prompt while you wait, and ChatGPT is going to give you what you actually need. So now let's go through what ChatGPT gives us. So you can see this is the narrator. Okay, this is narrator 1. Then under the narrator, it gives you image for the first scene. If you scroll down, you can see this is the image generation prompt that you can use. Then we have 8 scenes here. So the scene 1 is, it says that scene of SpongeBob waking up with a big smile on his face in his pineapple house. So if you can see, you can see this is the narrator that you are going to copy and create your voiceover from. Okay, the first website we'll be using to create our voiceover today is 11 Labs. Now if you go to 11 Labs, you just have to sign in for a free account, or you can subscribe for the premium version of the 11 Labs. Then go to your ChatGPT and copy each of these narration and paste it into the 11 Labs. So I'm going to copy each of this narration. So let me copy this. Then we'll go to 11 Labs and paste it. This is the first narration. Then we'll go down and go and copy all the narrations and paste it into 11 Labs. So now I've pasted all my narrations in 11 Labs. So if you can see, from the first to the last, I've pasted all my narration. So you just have to select the voice that you want it to speak over your video. So you just have to click on the down side here and select any voice of your choice. So I will advise you select a deeper voice since it is a motivational video. So let me just play one of these voice and you listen to it.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled among rolling hills and towering.
So you can listen to that voice now. So if I want to create my video now, I just click on generate speech. Then another website you can use for this is you can go to Flex Clip and use this website. Use their AI text to speech. If you want to do that, you just sign up for a free account. You just click on the AI text to speech at this place. Then allow it to load, and from here over the left hand side here you can choose your language. Over here you can choose your language. You can select any language of your choice. If you want to do this in any language, you can select, but for this I'll be maintaining the United States. Then from here you can choose who speaks over your video, whether a male or a female. So from here you can select. You can click on this button to listen to the preview of this voice. So if I should click on this preview, you can see, you can listen to it.
Many think that the people you list as references are already the name Daddle was
So that is how you go through these voices and see the one that best suits your video.
He waved to acknowledge the crowd, and then he waved again.
So I think that voice is deep enough, so I'm going to select that voice. Then we'll go down here inside the text button. You just have to paste in our text, and from here you click on the generate button while you generate your voiceover. After your voiceover has been generated, you click on the download button here and the file will be downloaded to your device. So we have gotten our voiceover now. So the next thing we want to do is to go over to ChatGPT, and from here we can now start generating our AI images that we'll use for this video. To do this, you can see from here, you can see we have the opening scene image of SpongeBob waking up with a big smile on his face. Then the narrator says, "Hey there, ever wake up smiling as happy as SpongeBob?" So you can see that the image from match the narration. So what we are going to do is to copy this prompt. This is the prompt that we are going to copy. You just copy that, then you go to any AI website of your choice. But for this, let's make use of the Deco here. So you can just go to this website, sign in for a free account. I will leave the link to all these websites in the description of this video. Now I'll click on get started and you can sign in for a free account. And from your left hand side here, you can see if you click on the three lines there, you can see we have explore and we have create. You have to click on create so that you can start creating your images. Then at the down side here, you paste in your prompt. But before we paste in our prompt, what we are going to do is to tap on this area to select, because what we are going to use this for is for short. So I'm going to select store, which is the 9:16. So from here I'm going to paste in my prompt. But remember, what you will do in this prompt, what we are going to do, we are going to write 90s cartoon. So this is what we are going to write, 90s cartoon. All right, so when you add that 19 cartoons, it gives you this kind of cartoons images. So what we are going to do, we are going to add this to our library. You can see, you can click on this button to add this to your library. You can select this one, you add them to your library also. So all of them like this, you can select them and add it to your library so that you can download them. Okay, so we have gotten our image as the case following our prompt. So now that we got this image, now you can now go back to your library from here and download this image to your device. So you can see all the image that we have gotten. So you click on this download button to download this to your device. You do this, go to your ChatGPT and generate these images according to the prompt that you have from the script that you have gotten. So from here now we'll go to this AI website to turn these images that we have gotten into animation. So to do this, you are going to use the Hyper AI. So click on try for free and sign in for a free account. And when you are signed in, you simply click on animate your image at the top side here. When you click on the animate your image, what we are going to do is to upload our image. To upload your image, simply click on upload image, and from here you go to folder that your image that you created was downloaded to. So let's say I'm going to use this particular image. I'm going to click on it and open it, and when you do that, your image is going to be uploaded. Then from the settings here, you can select 4 seconds, which that is what we are going to use. And from here, you can click on the create. So I'm going to click on create and let's see what comes out from our image to animation. And now you can see that our image has been turned to animation. So if you are satisfied with this animation, you can simply click on this download button to download this to your device. So what we are going to do, we are going to do this to all our images that we will be using in this video. So another website we can use is the Gemo AI website, where it creates animation from images. And when you sign in with your account, you click on the upload image, and from here we are going to upload the next image which we are going to be using for this. So let's say this is the image that I'll be using. I'm going to select the image and select on open, and when you do that, the image will be uploaded. And here is our image. What we are going to do is to control the camera motion on this image. What you will do now, click on the camera motion, and from here you can add a zoom in effect or a zoom out effect on this, but you can leave it at auto if that is what you want. You can click on FX and add an FX effects to your image, but I'm not going to do that. So what we'll do now is to click on the submit button, and that will be submitted while we wait for the creation to be completed. And when the creation is being completed, you simply download it. So you will do this to all your images that you will be using in your video. And after that, getting all your images together, we will move over to Capcut to join these images together, and our video will be set for us to post. Now you either open Capcut on your phone or your laptop. For this, I'm using my laptop. So what we are going to do is to click on new project to create a new project. Now that a new project has been created, you have to click on the import button so that we can import all the files that we'll be using to edit our video. So from here, we select all the files that we'll be using for this video. So I'm going to select all the file now, select the voiceover also for this. I'm going to select the voiceover, and from here you click on the open button, and it's going to import all your files. So you can see what is written here is importing 9 files, and from this window you can see that all our files has been imported. So what we are going to do is to drag in all our files according to the voiceover which we created. But first we have to drag in our voiceover and add the voiceover to the timeline. To do that, here is the voiceover which we created. So we are going to click and drag it over to the timeline here to place it. The voiceover has been added to the timeline. So the next thing we have to do is to drag in our videos to our timeline also. So we are going to start from this particular video. So let's drag this and drop. Then we'll drag the next one and arrange it side by side. And I've been able to arrange all my clips together. So from here, what you have to do is to add transition in between these clips, and to do that, simply go up here and click on transition. You allow it to load. When it's done loading, you are going to see different transition. From the effect menu, you can simply add an effect to it. You can scroll and select any effect you like and add to your video. Then from the media menu, you can add the motivational sound under your video. If you are doing this for YouTube, you can simply add YouTube audios to it. If you are doing it for TikTok, you can add audio from TikTok to it. But let me just add this audio to the background music to my video. You make sure that the background music ends at the end of your video, and to do that, simply go here and trim it. So now we are going to delete the other part of this music. So what we'll be having here, so let me quickly play this video and let me show you the final result of this video. Let's play this.
Hey there! Ever wake up feeling as happy as SpongeBob in Bikini Bottom? Life's a lot like a day in Jellyfish Fields, full of adventure and excitement. But just like how SpongeBob embraces every moment with enthusiasm, you too can find joy in the little things. It's all about seeing the beauty in the world around you, just like SpongeBob does with every jellyfish he encounters. Even when the tides of life seem to pull you down, remember, your positivity can be a guide.
So what we'll do now is to add auto caption to our video. To do that, simply go to text, and when you go to text, you are going to see AI generated. You can see auto caption. Select auto caption, and from here we are going to generate auto caption on our video. So you allow this to load to 100 and your auto caption will be generated. So it depends on how many times it depends on the amount of time you spend editing your video. You can finalize, create something amazing, and you upload on your channel or your TikTok account. All right, and our auto caption has been added to our video. Now we just have to edit this auto caption a little bit. So what we are going to do is to scroll down and select a template from here. So you just allow the template to load, and we select any template that we can actually use for this auto caption. So from this option, you can select any template that you actually like from this place. So let's say we like this particular one. We just have to download it and add it onto our video. So let's say we like this. So you select this. And this will be selected. Now let's play our video from the beginning.
Hey there! Ever wake up feeling as happy as SpongeBob?
Alright, so you can see that our auto caption on our video. You can take it to anywhere on the screen you like. You can scale it up a little bit. So what you have to do is to click on the export button and you export this video, and you can post this video on your YouTube channel. You can post this video as short on your TikTok account, and you start growing from there. Before you know, you start earning money, and that is how you to create this kind of cartoon animation in the cartoon motivational video and make money from it. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates.